Do this to get your crush to notice you. Hey there, are you crushing on a special someone and are too overwhelmed with emotions to reach out and make her notice you? Fear not, for today we will unravel the secrets to getting her to notice you, featuring subtle gestures, self-confidence and a dash of charm. And by the end of this video, you will be able to get your crush to notice you, and if you follow all the tips, you may get lucky and have her approach you instead. And to tie it all together, there is a bonus tip at the very end which will make your efforts increase tenfold. Let's begin. Dress the part. First impressions matter, and yes, second impressions exist, but try to get it right the first time. You want to make an impact and catch her eyes in those few seconds, the moments where she will look you up and down, where her brain will make the assumption that you are someone worth knowing. So dress in a way that makes you feel comfortable and confident, but matches your personality. It could be as simple as a new hairstyle or a different beard shape, something that complements you. Now, dressing the part doesn't actually mean going out and buying a top dollar suit. It simply means to take pride in your appearance. If your crush's first impression of you is you wearing a t-shirt that is old, covered in holes and stains, do you think she will be interested? Wearing clothing that makes you feel good is important, and let me tell you, dressing with confidence shows. Keeping up regular grooming habits such as maintaining your beard and keeping your hair and your nails in top shape will maximize your attractiveness. So make an effort every day to wear your clothing with confidence. Find common ground. Your mission is to find common interests as soon as possible. If you notice she is an avid reader, bring in your favorite book and start reading it in front of her. Then use the common ground example to engage in a conversation. Oh, what are you reading? Now, of course, this will be unique to everyone, and you may have to put in a bit of extra work to observe your similarities, and not in a creepy way, but you can eavesdrop on a conversation that she has with a friend or a work colleague to find out a TV series or a film that she's recently watched that if you have seen, you can talk about it. And if you pay attention, you may be able to pick up on her music tastes based on what she's listening to through her headphones. You may be able to notice that she goes to the gym because she has a key fob on her keys, so on and so forth. Don't make the mistake, okay, of pretending to like something just so you have a common interest. Be true to yourself. Show kindness. A woman needs to feel supported, respected, and trusted before she can consider dating a man. And one of the easiest ways to do this is by showing her kindness. Yes, opening doors is great, but you can increase this with leaving a positive impression, such as a genuine, heartfelt compliment, maybe about the book that she's reading. You could be talking about her shoes, or simply just showing empathy when she tells you she's having a tough day. And most importantly, by letting her emotionally offload and listening with kind intent. Women feel valued when men listen to their emotional talks and then they receive a "wow, that sounds stressful" or "that's amazing, well done," instead of a man actually saying, "have you tried doing it this way?" Does today's video give you some food for thought? Let us know down in the comments below if you're going to try out some of these tips, and please like the video too, it would really make my day. A glimpse into a potential relationship. If you go to a job interview, you want them to see you like you're already a long-term employer. The person interviewing you is more likely to employ you if they can see that you just slot straight into their workplace with zero effort. So do the same for your crush. Give her an almost glimpse into what it would be like to date you. Now, of course, this is unique to you and it can take some work, but it will be worth it. Some suggestions could be you offer to give her a lift home in the rain, you give her your spare umbrella, you remember her birthday, you ask about her friend who she said was having a stressful time. This glimpse into a free trial into your amazingness means that she gets to see more of that if she invests into the relationship. This should also be displayed on your social media. If you follow each other, she will scan and swipe through your posts to figure out who you are and what you do. So make sure you show the free trial package well. If you are good at cooking, make sure there's a photo post to display that. If you have a dedicated hobby or interest that you do frequently, remember to show that off too. Remember, you might feel too shy to actually engage in person, so make sure your social media fills in those blanks, and this creates a common ground that could set the stage for positive conversations to commence. Respect her space. A lot of men can make themselves appear creepy because they trip over their own efforts and give too much in a desperate bid to win her over. Remember, you need to give her space. That means not trying to get the same lunch break as her every day so that you can sit on a table nearby and watch her eat. A woman knows when a man has a crush on her. We just don't let on that we know. And when we realize that you like us, that is when we start to evaluate who you are, what you do, and if you would be a good fit in our lives. So if you start obsessively liking all of her pictures from 3 years ago and being over the top, or the worst one, asking for a hug every time you see her, she's gonna get the ick. You want to give her the free trial glimpse into your life, but still holding space so that she isn't 100% sure that you have a crush on her. It's gonna keep her guessing and create a burning excitement. Plus, this is what a healthy partner does. He doesn't overwhelm his partner with affection. Maintain positive body language. Some guys become over the top with their affection for their crush, and some go the complete opposite. They refuse to speak. They don't engage in eye contact. They don't say hello to their crush, all through the fear of rejection. If you and your crush don't yet know each other, you need to be finding small ways to be approachable and build up having that first conversation. The first steps are to maintain eye contact, just saying, hey, if you see each other in passing regularly. Radiating positive body language that is open shows that you are kind and inviting, which means get off your phone when you are close to your crush. Remember, you want to give her that trial into life with you, so consistent positive body language is key. And if you work together, she may start to observe how you act around other people to judge your social skills. So make sure you maintain positive body language with others. And by following the other tips in today's video, if you look approachable and not busy when she walks past you, she may even approach you and start that initial conversation. Bonus tip, don't fear rejection. The fear of her saying, no, I don't like you, I don't want to go on a date, will hold you back from approaching her and having meaningful conversations. Fear creates anxiety and desperation to make the future work. So much so that you lose your focus on the present moment. Now, let's be honest, you never know how she truly feels, but holding yourself back could make you appear less attractive. And of course, rejection really does hurt, but that should not stop you from trying. Remember this. Regardless if you do or you don't make an effort to get your crush to notice you, time is still going to pass you by. So now you know what to do to make your crush notice you. Why not discover the body language signs that she's into you, or explore the signs of sexual attraction? Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this.